Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, when we want to update our window, an error occurred and window could not search for new updates. Let's learn how to fix it. It's a simple steps. Just follow it. But before proceeding, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon that to receive all the notification regarding new videos I uploaded. Just press the window plus R key on your keyboard. When you press it, a pop-up window will appear. Type here services.msc and click enter. Now find in this list window updates. When you find window updates, click and open it. Here you can see the menu. Select here automatic and click apply, then click OK. Now close this window or minimize it and go to your computer. I mean my computer, and open here drive C. Now open here window and find here software distribution. Select these all files and click to delete. Make sure that all the files are deleted properly. Now close this window and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, just check it that now it's working or not. If it not works, open the Google and type here Windows 7 Updater. Click the second link Windows Update for Windows 7 and click on the download. Your file will be downloaded. Now click it to install. Your file will be installed, and after installing your file, restart your PC once again. Now your problem will be solved. If you like it and your problem is solved, subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon that you receive all the new videos. Thanks for watching.